I am Chris Stahl, Director of Solid Waste Management from Macon County. When I first came here, this building was used as a bale facility. So there was a big conveyor and baler in the middle of the floor, and then we stopped that operation and the building was dormant for a while, and I actually saw my first 305C at a WasteCon in Atlanta, and we pretty much built this operation that we have here now around the machine. We started this about 06, 07. Everything but our trash that we bring in from centers comes through this building, and then the guys that work in the building pull out recoverable materials, mostly cardboard, metal, your traditional plastics and whatnot. When the state of North Carolina came out with a lot of new bans, we incorporated recovering those banned materials into the operation that we had recently developed around this machine. Unlike a lot of transfer station or MRFs, we don't have a tunnel for the truck. So the truck sits on the tipping floor. So the first thing we have to have is something that's capable of loading a 13-foot trailer over the top. But secondly, we also need as compact a machine as possible because of the orientation of the building being so narrow. It needs to be nimble. Regular telehandlers wouldn't make it in here. We've actually tried. Probably the most unique thing about this machine and the thing that's sold us on it is the elevating cab. When we're loading out the truck, of course, our back is to traffic and our customers are backing in. So with this machine being able to get up over everything, you can look down and see all four tires, and so you can see all around you. The safety in that, it's not even like a bonus, it's an absolute necessity in the way this operation runs, and is why we have gone through 3 of these machines.
This machine has a backup camera and it is a huge field of view, and it's running all the time, so the machine doesn't have to be in reverse for it to be kicked on.
The old Sennebogen we had was good, but this machine is like a Cadillac compared to the old 305. The cab is more comfortable, you can see clearly in it with the camera, a lot safer, I believe, than the old machine that we had.
Service-wise, Sennebogen was able to get us in touch with a service provider, and they are taking care of us tremendously. So as far as service and communication, can't ask for any better.
At 4:30 every day, this floor has to be clear. If I've got a machine down or at the shop, I got to find something because that floor's still got to be clean. And so uptime is a priority for us. We have an operation built around this machine, and so it can do what we need it to do, where there's no other machine on the market that can do what this machine does in this building. It's just like having a compactor in the landfill. It's just essential. It's the machine you got to have.